Well, good morning, Fishaholics. Welcome to finally the first try for 2024 fishing season here. And we are staying at a resort that I actually tried to fish here about a couple months ago when it was not like this outside. It was all green. But now we've had a snowstorm come through and it sounds like we're going to get another one here and arriving later tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and do some fishing before that next storm arrives, and hopefully we can catch something. We'll probably might catch maybe a trout or two, but we'll have to find out because we'll just have to see how the weather plays, and if it's really too cold outside, then we'll probably have to find something else to do. But good news is though, with it snowing, it's not windy right now. But let's go ahead and try and get some fishing and see if we can at least catch something today. Feel free to smash that like button. Let's go. Sadly, the pond here was a letdown. I did not catch anything here, but it looked like something at one point when I was reeling in. It looked like some species of fish. It had to be a fish of some sort here in the pond. It must be either a trout or a perch because he wasn't big, but he was coming up right near the surface, trailing behind my spoon. But I tried casting back over where it was and nothing came up. But I think there is a few more locations here in town I'm going to try. I think I'm going to try a local dam here in town. See, it's just a few miles from here, but in this snow, it's still coming down pretty good. I wonder if my family's even awake. It's probably about 11 o'clock, so they're probably just about to get up by now. We'll fish at the dam for a bit and see if anything happens, and if not, we'll probably have to call it a day, because, like I said, this snow I think is supposed to come down all day, and I don't think it's going to light up anytime soon. But, I'll keep you guys an update on the weather report. Well, everybody, unfortunately I gotta say this, but I had to conclude it early for the day because apparently the snow just kept coming down, and like I said, at the forecast I checked, it doesn't look like it's gonna light up anytime soon. So that kind of sucks. You know what? Since it is the middle of the winter, that's just how it rolls. But I think maybe that river I was fishing at moments ago, I think I might go back there. Maybe like in the springtime, maybe like when all the snow has melted and ice. And maybe see if there's any rainbow trout actually flowing through there, since during springtime, rainbow trout seem to spawn in the spring here. But hey, we'll find out in a few more months. So I'm sorry to disappoint you all about this fishing trip. Sorry I had to cut it short. But with this snowstorm coming in, not looking forward to it. Yeah, I really don't know what else to tell you guys at this point. Hopefully, hopefully we can do some ice fishing here pretty soon, with how cold it's getting. So I'll keep you guys informed on that. And like I said, I do apologize if I had to cut this video short. Sometimes the weather, you know, isn't always on your side when you go fish. All right, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and let you all go for the day. See you guys next time.